I'm Scott Moore, and I'm a performance engineer. I help to make software and applications faster, better, more resilient. Lately, there's one thing on my mind.
Where's the best barbecue at, man?
So I'm going across the country, talking about performance engineering and barbecue. Join me as we take the performance tour.
I'm here at the Cadillac Ranch, just outside of Amarillo, Texas. You know, these old Cadillacs here, they used to have big engines and they would take you where you wanted to go pretty fast. But now they're kind of stuck in the ground. They're not going anywhere. What about the applications you're building today? Are they scalable? They're going to take you where you want to go tomorrow? Or are you going to be stuck in the ground? Are you building some sandcastle that's going to be kicked down tomorrow for a new one? I don't know. Take a lesson from the Cadillac Ranch, man.
Okay, James, you've been saying recently that high response times or high timings, transaction timings, whatever you want to call it, that's not a problem. That's a symptom of a problem. What do you mean?
Correct. In fact, let's go back to J. Crew this past Thanksgiving, where they had an extremely high response time on their front page. The actual symptom of the problem is a high response time. The cause is how they're using resources. In the case of J. Crew, they had something like a 40 megabyte GIF file on the front page. So you have this situation where this GIF file has to come from across the network, which is the most expensive resource out of the finite resource pool of CPU, disk memory, and network. And so you just have to wait on it. It's how you are using the resources which drives the response time. If I allocate too early, if I hold on to something too long, I block up a set of resources that can't be used by other people. It's no different than blocking up a space on the road during rush hour at 5 p.m. You'll never get really to 100%, but at some point, you're going to cross a line of 30, 40, 50, 60, 70%, where the system just grinds to a halt because of how you are using that resource.
So, a product that does performance testing and only provides end-user response times, but doesn't give you any additional way to pull in resource metrics from infrastructure and other places, is only telling you about the symptom of the problem, but doesn't help you dive into the root of the problem, right?
It's like you've gone to a doctor and they say, yes, you have a cough. Okay, what's the cause? Hey, you've got a really bad cough. It's really productive. You probably have a sore throat too. Yeah. What's the root cause? You got a cough. Yeah, so
You should really do something about that.
yeah, you should really do something about that cough. Okay.
The value comes from seeing as many pieces of the puzzle as you can. I call it the 360-degree view. When you have that, you can dive in. So
in performance testing, the value is added in analysis. The value is not added in test production. Test production is simply the collection of timing records and resource measurements. That's all it is. You can collect that from production, but if you can collect it pre-production, you can mitigate risk because you can find out why and then make a change.
remember, kids, it's
it's not about the test. It's about the analysis.
Yes.
Become a Jedi Lord over analysis and learn the dark art, and that will get you farther in life. How do you recognize if you have seen a good barbecue restaurant?
Oh, well, you know, we've all seen these from the road. You drive down the road and you just see a sign that says barbecue. Well, that's kind of on the low end. You know, they got something prepared with smoke. I think we had some of that last time. Yeah.
No names will be mentioned.
No names will be mentioned. and then you kick it up a notch. You have an animal in profile, and then it says barbecue. The outline of the animal. So, and ideally, it is the outline of the pig, of course.
All right, mine is if the health inspector has given them a warning in the last 3 months, that's maybe a plus.
When it comes back to the signs, I like a sophisticated sign that really, really tells me that barbecue is of high quality. So you go from barbecue, you go to animal profile, then you go to the happy end, you know, like the Porky Pig. And it gets even better if the animal has clothes on and is smiling. And the happy anthropomorphized pig on a sign that says barbecue, and you pull up and you notice that it's burned down at least once and they've rebuilt because it's got like the smoke scars on it, you know that's just going to be great.
So the more humanized the animal is, the more likely it is, the better.
Happy animals make better barbecue.
And so another one would be if the smoker itself is actually shaped like the animal that's cooking inside.
Oh, that's
right.
Just like way over the top. Right? Yeah.
The next thing is if it's so smoky around the place and inside the restaurant that you feel like you're in LA, but it smells like hickory smoked barbecue. That's also a plus.
That's a plus.
If you can't see any smoke, you probably shouldn't be there. You should probably walk away.
When you open the door in the parking lot and your taste buds start to, just the saliva starts going.
Or if
that could be a deceptive sign.
Or if you are a barbecue nut and you are sexually stimulated by that smell of hickory smoke.
I'm not quite going that far.
It's an aphrodisiac, I'm telling you. Ask those guys in Kilo Consultants.
What's that noise?
But it's the way the wind catches the thing, and it's something to do with how the wind gets into the window, and I can't fix it.
It's really annoying.
I know, I'm sorry. It's going to be a long trip, isn't it?
Okay, I've been watching for patterns. You know, that's me, Mr. Pattern Guy. Your little rubber antenna does this cavitation thing. It just goes, whoa.
Yeah, maybe it's the antenna.
I have a thought. When we stop next, let's take the antenna off. Do you hear that? To stop now.
Okay, let's stop.
Thank you. I think I know what it is. So the seal from the door is not tight against the rubber weather stripping on your door frame, and that's what's causing the whistle. I've got an idea.
All right, we got a town coming up in about 20 miles. We'll stop somewhere and see if that fixes it. Will that make you happy?
Yeah. Eastwood movies? I just want to let you know this truck is stopping in Tucumcari.
Okay, we'll stop.
Okay.
Well, we're at Lowe's.
This is a grocery store.
I know. I don't understand. Let me take a picture of this.
There better be a hardware store really close.
Okay. Let's see what that does.
Well, I'm happy we fixed it.
No. Now I'm starting to hear it over here. Well, you fixed it over there, but now it's moved over here. I have never heard it in this window before.
Not my problem.
Find a hardware store on the GPS. Okay, I got it going the speed limit. I'm going as fast as we normally go. I don't hear anything. Do you hear anything?
I don't hear anything.
Finally got it after 3 different things.
I beat the Toyota.
I'm happy. James is happy.
Doesn't get much better than that.
And I got my whistle fixed.
You got your whistle fixed. Well, that's kind of between you and your doctor.